Hey filmmaker, Chung Dha here. I've got the Zhiyun Crane 2. We've now mounted the telescopic monopod from Zhiyun on my Zhiyun Crane 2. And the great thing about it is this twist lock. A lot of people don't understand how this actually works. Instead of having to twist it quite far, we can actually hold this, all of them, in one go. We just twist them half turn, and we can literally all, and then now lock them all down. And that is really quick with a twist lock. With flick blocks you have to, it's quite harder and less quicker than using a twist lock. And it can actually hold the Crane 2 quite well. So it can actually stand on its own, so I can let it go. And actually here on the bottom we can lock it down. And this is quite a large base here, so it can actually stand on its own. However, do note this is still a monopod, so don't just leave it standing alone. At least stand with it. It can still be blown over by a breeze or somebody walking and knocking over it. So another great thing, of course, with the monopod, can quickly lock it down also. And with the shoulder strap, can put it on my shoulder, and also makes it a less heavier. We can actually get like a quite nice crane shot doing this. And we can have it with the feet holding it on your belly. And we can also like nicely do a slider shot, and also quite low angle slider shot. And this gives you a slightly longer reach to do those slider shots instead of doing it by hand. By hand, like with this, you get up and down movement, and with this you can actually get a much nicer slider shot movement. And also into a crane. So let's test actually how this goes with actually doing a full crane shot. All these secured first. Now we're going to hold this like this. We're getting like a really nice low to high shot. And also walk, and make sure you are walking quite stable to get like this fake drone like shot. We can actually hold it quite low, and I'm actually pretty secured about how this can actually hold quite the weight. Especially I do have a lightweight camera on here, but I think I would also, with a GH5 and also all the kind of cameras, unless it's like a big cinema camera, but most cameras I would feel like it's pretty secure on top of here to do like a crane like shot and also a fake drone shot. So that was the Zhiyun Crane 2 with the telescopic monopod. Hope you guys like this video, and if you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button here below, and also make sure to hit that bell icon so you're always updated when I post a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys the next time. Bye bye.